Malik. I'm the President and CEO of iDashboards. Today, we are here to talk about the subject of enterprise dashboards. Dashboards is all the buzz today because they're fundamentally changing how we look at information, how we access information, and also how it affects our decision making. Traditionally, we have had these spreadsheets and reports with lots of rows and columns of data. The challenge being they're data rich but information poor. That's when enter dashboards. So today we are going to examine this subject with four basic questions. What, who, how, and why. First, what is a dashboard? The term obviously comes from automotive dashboards, where a user can get to all the key pieces of information to drive a vehicle. In the same sense, an enterprise dashboard is a collection of powerful visual elements such as bar charts, speedometers, maps, trend lines. They all, at a quick glance, tells a user what are their key performance indicators and metrics. As a result, it helps better analysis, better tracking of information, proactive alerting. So when a certain key performance indicator exceeds a threshold, a user is notified through email or visual alert that there is a problem. The next is a drill down. So when I see a problem, I have the ability to get to a root cause analysis, where the problem happened, what caused the problem, when it was triggered. Now, who are using dashboards? It has a wide spectrum of applications, obviously. Let's start with manufacturing. Let's take some few examples. Manufacturing organization may be using it for supply chain, logistics, quality control. Healthcare. A hospital, for example, may be using it for monitoring patient satisfaction, the quality of care, and the performance of physicians and nurses. Financial institutions like banks and credit unions, they may be using it to monitor loans, mortgages. Government, they could be using, for example, in the local context, a county government is using to monitor prison population, costs, and budgets. So as you can see, the applications are all across the board. That brings us to the next question, how? We can start from one side of the spectrum and go to the other extreme. On the lower end, you have lower cost solutions such as charting tools, or we call it charting widgets. The challenge here is it takes a long time to implement. Often it needs a lot of programming resources to put together a solution around it. On the other extreme, you have the BI dashboard platforms. They're expensive, but they provide a robust security, a user framework that has personalization, customization, and all that. In between, you have a happy medium of niche players that provide a good dashboarding solution without a very expensive cost. So that brings us to the point, why should enterprise implement dashboards? What are the benefits? First, improves accountability across the organization. It helps improve transparency in the organization. When we have better accountability and transparency, it also improves the compliance. And last but not the least, you have a better decision making across the organization. So in closing, enterprise dashboards, they're truly helping bring business intelligence